Hello, my name is Shahazov. My surname is Moloev. I am the resident of Cholobov region of ВАТАН history. So I'm 24 years old. First of all, I want to tell you that I'm a soldier in my country, Tajikistan. As a soldier, I want to say some good information for you that we are soldiers. We have our own duty, our own responsibility to protect our country from the enemies. And I am a graduated student. After finishing the university in Tajik National University, I was sent to Kingston College in Singapore. And after graduating this college, also I have returned to my country on October of 2022. I was accepted by army service by my desires. So first of all, I want to tell that I'm proud of myself that I'm serving for my country, for my motherland. And also I can recommend for other students that they would come to serve for their country because it's that of each us. We have to fight for it successfully.